All right, y'all. So check it out. Today we are going to detail strip your basic Glock platform. I know we have field stripped it, but today we are actually we are today we are going to be removing all the components from this firearm. Then we're gonna be putting it back together, make sure it's functional, and then we just gonna move on. So let's get it. All right, so before we get started, we're definitely go ahead and make sure there's no live ammunition anywhere on your workspace. And then go ahead and make sure your firearm is completely clear of any ammunition. Now it's time to get into it. So first we're gonna start off by taking this dang light off. It's already loose for the video purposes. Boom, put that there. Now we are going to remove our slide from our frame, and we know how to do that. Go ahead and just pull back on the slide, pull down on these tabs, let go, pull trigger, and it should just slide off just like that. Now we're going to start off with the frame. We're going to remove these 3 pins here, which is going to allow us to remove our trigger and our control housing. I'm going to be using this to catch my pins and a push pin. Sometimes to get this one out here, you do have to move your slide release a little bit, and it'll actually push right through. So there goes that, boom. And then the top pin, so you got those pins right there, and then the back pin comes out just as easy, boop. Now everything is going to come out. So oh shoot, I am forgetting one more pin, which is here in the front. Actually, it's probably going to take a little tapping. There goes that. Now I can remove everything from it. So you can remove that. Then you can simply take out your trigger, your control housing, and then is going to come out is your slide release. So there goes that. That is detailed stripped there. So they call it. And I normally just keep these close by. So onto the side here on a mat. Just right here. Boop. Just so I know everything's at. Now we're going to get to the slide, which is super easy. Go ahead and remove your recoil spring and your guide rod. Put that to the side. Remove your barrel. And then in here, you do have a spring for your firing pin. If you just take your push, you can actually, so you take this, push that down, right? Push it down, and it allows you to slide out your back plate. Now that you have that removed, you are going to be able to take out everything else, like your firing pin and the firing pin sleeve. And then you are going to be removing, oh, watch that. That thing will pop out of there. But you are removing your extractor. Go ahead and put that to the side. And there you have it. Detail stripped. Now, I'm just going to do it in reverse. And we're going to put it all back together. And then do a function test. So let's get to it. And I'm actually going to speed this process up a little bit, so I'm not completely boring y'all. And I'll get back with y'all. So now that we got it all the way put back together, let's quickly go through this function test really quick. So we're going to pull back to make sure it racks one. Boom. Do a little press check. We got one in the chamber. Don't know if you can see that. Pull the trigger. It works. Let's see if it ejects. Ejects. Let's see if it resets. Reset. Pull. Boom. One more. Eject. Reset. Pull. Boom. Eject. Reset. Oh, that was my slide. Actually, reset. Pull. Boom. And there it is. And it is locked back. So that, my friends, is a full strip down of the Glock platform, a reassembly, a function test, and like I said, it's time to move on. Peace.